Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make lentil with spinach. For the ingredients, I'm going to use lentils, spinach, sofrito, tomato paste, salt, and pepper. Blend the spinach along with vegetable broth and set it aside. In a non-stick pan, pour oil, then lentil. Add the sofrito, tomato paste, salt, and pepper. Pour the spinach mixture and mix it until it's well combined. Bring it to a boil and then add the broth. Stir until it's well combined. Bring it to a boil and then partially cover it. Let it steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.